The name of Ahmadiyyat has always been Ahmadi Muslim Jamaat, right from the beginning. But it is people who give us different wrong names. Like Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was granted the name of Islam and a Muslim, but his opponents and Christians and others, they call him Muhammadans. So Muhammad was his personal name, but Islam became known in the world as Mohammedanism. Mirza was the personal title of Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. So they call his followers by his title, Mirzai. And Qadian, because it was the place where he was born and Ahmadiyya was founded, so many people call us Qadianis. But the name has always been Ahmadiyyat, no other name. Ahmadiyyat in Islam, which is in fact a second manifestation of Hazrat Aqdas Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He had two names. One was Muhammad, who, like Moses, had a glorious manifestation. Muhammadiyat manifested itself within a few years in Arabia, in Iran, Afghanistan, beyond, and that was the glorious manifestation of word Muhammad. Ahmad has a shan or a manifestation similar to Jesus Christ. Slow and loving and gradually spreading the message, everything was the message of love, and no sword was to be involved. So Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam was predicted in the Quran to reappear in the world in the latter days. He had to reappear in Ahmad's shan. Muhammadiyat came once and it covered till the end of the time. Muhammadiyat of course continued, but within Muhammadiyat, his second name, Ahmadi, was to unfold itself in the latter days. So it was this reason why Jamaat Ahmadiyya was called Ahmadiyya. And that is why they became jealous. Deep inside, all the ulama know that they have got it. Nobody was given the chance by Allah to call themselves Ahmadis. And now this man has named his Jamaat Ahmadi after Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So being extremely jealous, they call us Mirzais, Qadianis, but not Ahmadis.